Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete a folder you've created on your AOL Mail account. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up AOL Mail, and on the left panel where it says folders, you may have to click show to expand the menu or all the folders under here. Whatever folder you want to delete, click the little arrow next to it, and then select delete folder, and that's all you have to do. And if there's anything in that folder, you may have to delete it first. And you can see there's a subfolder, so if you have a subfolder, you'll have to delete that one first, and then you can delete the main folder. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.